This is a neon LED RGB light. If you are looking to upgrade your room, gaming setup or party decoration, this smart RGB neon LED strip light is a perfect option. It's a 5 meter long and gives you bright, smooth, colorful lighting. If you are planning to upgrade your room lighting, watch this video till the end. The product link is in description. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon. You don't miss any of the future videos. Let's open and see what's inside the box. This is a 5 meter LED strip. Comes with the rubber holders which has infrared remote. So you have a user manual. So in this user manual they have provided the QR code. You can scan and you can download iOS Android application so that you can change the colors using your mobile. I will connect to the power bank for easy convenient. I will turn it on, which has an auto button. When we press the auto button, all the patterns will play. WP turns to white and pink, color to red, green, blue, and multicolor. We can change it to different color. 8 different modes. Each mode has a different pattern. We can see pattern changing. Which has a timer also. You can set 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours to turn off automatically to save the power. Which has M plus, M minus. Press on M plus, it increases the speed of the pattern. You can see the speed. Press the M minus to see the pattern is getting slower. You can control the lights using your smartphone application or the remote. Change colors, brightness and lighting modes in just one tap. There are around 210 different modes of lightings. You can choose which pattern you want to, and it has a timer. You can set the timer. So let's explore the music option. I select the music one.
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Herculean gifts, Spider-Man's controlled and bad now with his fist, and clearly I don't see myself upon that list. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale.
You can use this for gaming rooms, parties, festival like Diwali, or events for background lighting behind the TV, which is a perfect LED strip, I can say. If you like this smart RGB LED strip light, check the buy link in the description. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.